What is up, Hyperbits here, and today I'm super excited because I just put together contact info and demo submission links for over 200 record labels, Spotify playlists, and YouTube curators, and it's meticulously organized by things like genre, tier, notable artists that have released on those labels, a bunch of popularity metrics like subscriber count, followers, likes, things of that nature. And this is really powerful for multiple reasons. Number one, it's a discovery tool. So if you aren't aware of all of the labels and playlists and things that you could be releasing on, this tool can just help you find them right away. But beyond that, it's also something that can help you basically map out your entire artist trajectory and release strategy. And you can identify specific labels, because we've organized them this way, that are potentially up and coming, that are kind of within your wheelhouse of labels that you could actually be releasing with. Go ahead, don't overthink this, click the link, get it while you still can, and I really hope you like it.